What is going on, guys? Maggie on YouTube. Hello. All right, guys, we are going to be opening the cool Pikachu and Zekrom tin. I actually have one more of these, plus the other two awesome tins, Eevee Snorlax and Venusaur and Celebi. So I'm going to do a video on opening all three of those tins at the same time, but it'd be weird. I mean, I could have done all four, but I just want to do this one, and I'll probably do the other three in a later video, maybe in a couple weeks, so won't be like redundant tins. That'd be kind of weird, but I don't know if the future tins are all going to be this big. I don't know. We haven't seen anything from Pokemon in a while. I feel like they come in waves. They literally come all at once, and then they come really slowly. So we haven't gotten anything new for a little while, which makes me sad, but it does help our pockets, doesn't it? Our money pockets, because seriously, too much at the same time really gets me poor. But honestly, this is one of the best cards ever. I have 4 of them, and I love them. I want to get more. I don't care. I'll get like 2 pages of them. I just love this card so much, and I do love the other artworks as well. So this is one of my favorites because I love electric Pokemon. So beautiful full art, absolutely gorgeous, one of my favorite tins ever. So when I saw this on sale at GameStop, I took it because I was like, I don't care, I have so many of these tins and I don't care. So we got Team Up, Evolutions, and Forbidden Light. That's cool. We got a really cool GX tag team, I don't even know what it's called, marker? Is it GX marker? I guess so. But anywho, I'm excited. I'm excited. So tag team, I mean, Team Up is cool. I keep calling it tag team, but it's Team Up. And yeah, let's open up Evolutions first, guys. Let's open up Evolutions. Okay. So I got a green code card. No worries. Green code cards means we have a better chance of getting a white code card in the other packs, which is preferable. We got a Nidoran, Vulpix, Dark Energy, Magikarp, Weedle, Haunter, a Flying Pikachu, very cool. So we did get a rare. We got a Coughing, ooh, a Water Reverse, very cool, and Eradicate, very nice. Okay, so we got really cool cards from this pack. That's cool. We got a secret rare, you know, a secret rare. Okay, guys, Forbidden Light, man, Forbidden Light. I actually like Crimson Invasion over Forbidden Light. Is that crazy? I don't know. It's kind of how I feel. We got a Doublade, Diggersby, a Heliolisk, an Execute Reverse, and our rare is a Noivern. Regular rare, very cool. Okay, guys, into Team Up. Hopefully we can get a tag team card. Ooh, white code card. Can we pull a tag team card? That'd be fun. We got a Larvitar, Psyduck, Volibee, Weedle, Fire Energy, Jinx, Hitmonlee, Dana, Squirtle Reverse, and our rare is, oh wow, okay, a Pikachu and Zekrom GX. Very nice. I have like 30 of these. Wow, that is cool. That makes sense. I mean, we got the tag team that meant something because we got it from the Pikachu and Zekrom GX full art tin. So very cool. Okay, very happy. We got a tag team. All I wanted. All right, guys, this is cool. Okay, last pack. Let's see what we can pull. Let's see what we can pull. All right, guys, 4-2. And let's go. We got a Honedge, Pidgeotto, Nidoran Male, Cosmog, Magikarp, Fairy Energy, Omanyte, Kangaskhan, a Heliolisk, a Rapidash Reverse, Uncommon, and a Mighty and a regular rare. All right, guys, we only got 1 hit from this tin, but that's cool because we got it for the full art. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a big thumbs up, and I'll talk to you later. Bye!